Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you second lesson, the parts of a plant. In the previous class, what you have learned about living and non-living thing, right? Today you are going to learn about parts of plant. So, in this parts of plant, what you have learned in this chapter of parts of plant? Work of different parts. What and all will get from the plants and what are the uses also you can see in this. See children, plants like other living organisms have different parts. See, even plants have like a living organism, like living thing, like human being. Even plants have some organisms in different parts. Different parts of plant perform different functions. See here, this is a part of plants. This you can see, this is a root, this is a stem in middle, you can see this is a stem and this is a fruits and also this is a vegetables and this is a branches, leaves, flowers and stem. All these are parts of plants. Okay, a plant is mainly divided into two parts. That is root system and the shoot system. What do you mean by root system? The parts that grow below the soil is called root. See, you can see the soil. This is called soil and below the soil you can see the roots. So children, this is called roots. Okay. The parts that grows above the soil is called the shoots. This is called a shoots. Okay, this is a root and this is a shoot. The shoots bear the stem, branches, leaves, flowers and the fruits. Here, this is called roots and this is a shoot. This is bear all leaves, vegetables, fruits and the flowers and also branches you can see here. Isn't it? This you can see the different parts of the plants. Okay. In the root system, roots grow deep into the soil. So, root won't be upper part of the soil. It's go deep into the soil. Okay. See here. This root will go so deep and also some roots we are going to eat as a vegetable also. Like for example, you can see a carrot, turnip, radish, sweet potato, beetroot. All these roots we are going to eat as a vegetables. Okay. The root system, roots grow deep into the soil. Functions of roots. What are the functions of root? What are the functions? What are they work to do? The roots will going to work. The root holds the plant firmly to the soil. So, what the root work is? Root going to hold the tree tightly so that we going to take out that trees, pick the trees from the plants from the soil. No, by the time it can't because root will be holding very tightly, firmly, so that we can't take it out. For example, it's a tree. You can take out the tree like this. No, because tree has grown very big and tall. So root has also has go inside very deeply, so that even root we can't take out the trees out. It helps the plants to stand upright and prevent it from falling down. It's protecting, it's not going to fall. If it is wind also, the plants or trees won't fall because the root is holding the plants and trees. If it is more like a strong, it will, what happen? The trees will bend and it will going to fall. Then it takes in, absorbs water and minerals from the soil. See, the root will take absorb the water which we are going to pour. and also minerals from the soil. There will be minerals from the soil, children. There will be some minerals. Okay. That it absorbs water and minerals from the soil and passes them to the stem. It passes them to the stem and branches, then leaves also. The stem in turn passes them to other part of the plants also, like leaves, fruits, if it is vegetables, for the flowers, everything, it's going to passes. Okay, in some plants, root store food like carrot, radish and beetroot are actually root which have food stored in them. See, this is the carrot, turnip, radish, sweet potato, beetroot. All these are roots, children. It's grow under the soil. Look at here. All these are roots. It's grow under the soil. So this root will eat it as a vegetable. Okay. Vegetables, and this vegetable is going to store the food. Means all the food, energetic minerals, everything has been stored in this vegetables like a root. In this vegetable we are going to eat. Which vegetable? What are the roots we are going to eat as a vegetable? It's carrot, turnip, radish, sweet potato, beetroot. Different types of fruits. There are two types of fruits, tap root and the fibrous roots. See here, children, this is the tap root and this is the fibrous root. What is the differences in this between tap root and fibrous root? What are the differences you can see here? Tap root, it is a long, it goes deeply in the soil and strong, it has become very strong, that is tap root. Thinner root, but it's thin but strong. Branch from the main root. The main root grows straight down into the earth. It goes so straightly, they won't spread together. It goes straight and it will be very strong. Other branches, roots and roots hairs grow sidewise, only like this. Hair, you can see a small hair. This is called hair, okay? It grows side and plants like beans, peas and mustard have tap root. Which vegetables have tap roots? Which grows straight and deep into the soil? That is beans, peas, mustard and have tap root. Here, fiber roots. It is busy in appearance. A large number of roots grow from the end of the stem. Plants like onion, wheat, rice and grass have fibrous roots. See, children, here this is the fibrous root. In this tip of the root, you can see here. Look at here. This is the tip of the root. In this tip of the root, they spread all the roots from here. So this root is going to spread the roots. This is fibrous roots. Okay. I hope you all understood what I have taught about the root today. Okay. I am going to explain you next 2 pages in the next class. Okay. Thank you.